Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix headphones not detected on your TECNO Spark 20 Pro Plus. So first, if you're using USB-C headphones, first clean the charging port. It's very important because dust can block a lot of the connection. And if there's dust inside of your port right here, then no wonder why your headphones are not detected or just not working. Now, what are we going to do after cleaning our USB-C port is we're going to go over and restart the phone. So we're going to press and hold the power button only. We're going to tap on restart and tap again to restart the phone. Now it is restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second once it is done. After the restart, what are we going to do is we're going to enter our password, and once we enter our password, we want to make sure that we are using an original one or a certified adapter if you're using 3.5mm jack adapter for your USB-C headphones or for your 3.5mm jack headphones. So there's two options. Now, if you want to test, you can test another pair of headphones if you have them. If you don't, then what you guys can do as a last resort is update your phone's software to fix any headphones that are not detected by your system. Open settings and scroll down until you see the system all right at the bottom. We're going to go over into system update, and here in system update we're going to click on online update. We're going to click continue, and here as you guys can see my software is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating. It is very important that you update your software. And what are we going to do next is we're going to go and simply after the software, what are we going to do is we're going to reset all the settings. So we're going to go to system. Now we're going to go over into the reset phone, and we're going to click on reset Wi-Fi settings. So it basically resets the mobile Bluetooth Wi-Fi, but that's all we can do here without deleting all of our data. So now we enter the password. Here, as you guys can see, it's done. And what are we going to do next is we're going to switch to Bluetooth. So if you're using Bluetooth headphones, first we're going to turn the Bluetooth off and on. So in the Bluetooth section, you should see that your Bluetooth is enabled. Now we're going to turn this off and turn this on, as you guys can see, and it is searching for devices right now. So it should have our headphones here. Now as you guys can see, I'm waiting for it to pop up. It might be a bit hard, and if you have yours already paired, then make sure to unpair them. It's very important that you unpair your headphones, and basically when they are unpaired, you can try and get them here. So they should pop up in available devices, as you guys can see. Now we're going to click pair, and as you guys can see, they are connected. So that's how it looks like. Now, if you want to unpair them, click on a gear icon, click on forget, and click on forget again. Now we're going to close the case. For me, I'm using the AirPods 3 Pros, and I'm going to double tap the front case until the front case is white. Now, as you guys can see, the front case color is white. Now we're going to go and pair it again. As you guys can see, we got our AirPods in, and that's basically what you guys can do. Now the next thing, you can charge your headphones fully. It's very important because if you don't charge them fully, sometimes they may have issues with the connecting. What are we going to do next is we're going to avoid any Wi-Fi or device interference. So sometimes your device interference can interact with your phone and headphones. We don't want it. We want to make sure that there's no other devices that may be connecting to your phone. So we want to make sure that there's no space for errors. Now what we're going to do as a last resort is go over into system, go to reset phone, and tap reset Wi-Fi settings so we can reset the Bluetooth settings. And that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.